Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to have on and off state images for menu items for a native macOS application along with Swift. I will also show you how you can have selection mode for those on and off state images of menu item. So in case if you're confused, I'll just quickly show you guys the output. So here is my macOS app. If you see at the top, I have added one more menu called sports. This is the menu which I have created. If I click on it, here you can see there are different menus which are in form of palette. I have already made a video on how to create palette menus, so if you are interested you can watch that video. Now if I move my cursor, hover my cursor over any of these images, here you can see these are the on images, on state images, and the default one which are present, these are the off state images. So if I click on any of this, here you can see the state has changed. If I click on the second one, here you can see second also changed. But you might be wondering that I only want one selection at a time. I don't want both of them to turn something like this. So for that you can just change the selection mode to just select one and run it again. So as soon as I run it again, I'll click on sports. If I select this image, here you can see this was selected. Now I'll select this one image, and here you can see the first one was moved to its original state. So yeah, that's what this video is all about. So I have created a native macOS application using Xcode. I'm using AppKit, which is Cocoa framework, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. All the code which we want to do is inside the app delegate. So just open the app delegate, and here I have created firstly our NS menu. Then inside application did finish launching, we get hold of our main menu. Then we create an NS menu item. I have created an NS menu of title sports, so the sports which you see at the top. Then I have added a menu section header called sports menu. So here you see this section header sports menu. Then we want a palette icon, right? So here I have passed some images. So these are system images which are already present. I haven't added any extra images in my project, and I'm just looping over these images. I have created this NS menu item, and here you can see I have set some off state image. So for off state images, these are all the images, and for on state images I'm passing this system image person.fill, but you can change it to whatever you feel like. If you want different on state images, so you can create another different array if you want to, and just adding it to our palette menu. Then selection mode, change it to whatever you feel like. Presentation style is palette, and here we just create our NS menu item. Then we add our palette menu to our palette menu item dot sub menu, and then we add our palette menu item to our menu. Then we assign this menu to palette menu item dot sub menu, and then we assign this parent menu item to main menu. So yeah, that's it. And here also I have created one click listener. So in case if you are wondering how this click thing happens, you can use that as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.